Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public. So this home is called the Clearview. As you can see, it's a two-story home, kind of off in the corner. Shooting this. Now, if you're interested in a home over here or any place else, please don't hesitate to contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact a home builder, you may avoid your paid for by the builder realtor representation, which makes it free to you. And it's a use it or lose it. If you use it, you get my service throughout the process. If you lose it, the only one that benefits is the builder. And that's the case with builders everywhere. Here's a half bath. Let's see what we have. Here's your storage underneath the stairs. So let's go head up to the second floor and check it out. Gonna head right for this, what I'm assuming is gonna be a closet. Oh yeah, it is. Small, but it's a closet. I guess a little coat closet. And yes, in Florida we do have coat closets. Or more like a jacket closet, but no, it does get cold. It does get into the 30s sometimes. And the 30s over here feels like the 20s in the northern states, like New York. When Florida is in the 30s, like 38 over here, to me feels like New York's like 28 or 25. This is obviously some kind of master bedroom. It's a small closet, but maybe there's another one. We'll see. The bedroom's a nice size. Yep, and there is. Oh, that's nice. Very nice then. Towel closet. Nice loft, definitely a nice loft. I like this house. I like the layout of it. And here's the laundry room. Very nice. A lot of stairs though, so if you have a problem with steps, this might not be the best choice, because it's a good run. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me, they've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.